again. We're heading to the house right now, guys. Remember, I had ordered some wheels, I want to say about almost 3 months ago, and they are finally here. I'm super excited, guys. I've been waiting for this for a while, but they are here. FedEx, I think, just dropped them off, and we're about to see what they look like, guys. I'm gonna do an unboxing reveal and stuff, so I'm super excited, guys. I've never ordered wheels or had any like get shipped out from anywhere or anything like that, but it's the first time for everything, so let's see how it goes. Look at that, guys. Tall stack of wheels. The boxes look a little beat up, so let's see if they didn't mess any of my wheels up. But I'm super excited, guys. Well, that's the sticker, guys. They sent black ones instead of aluminum. These are not the ones. Yeah, these are definitely not the ones. So we'll see what we can arrange right now. That's not what I wanted. Oh, guys, and as you can see, we should be driving to Denali, my little brother's Denali, but this dude decided to go to Houston and come back with no sway bar link, the 4x4 acting up, and his muffler missing, which the muffler, I guess, is not really his fault, but either way, he came with the muffler missing, so we got some work to do to the Mamalona, but I'll be ready soon, guys, but that's why we're not using it at the moment. So like I was saying, we're heading to Kevin Clapp, that is his name, so he'll be fixing the wheels, and let's see how they come out, guys. It's hard trusting people you never used to do your work, you know, but let's see what happens and how it goes. So we're on the way, and we'll see y'all. Oh, and also, bro, I forgot, you didn't even know that I dropped off the Duramax this morning. So we already dropped off the Duramax, guys. She had a bunch of hail damage, a bunch of hail damage. We're riding with the windows down. We're riding with the windows down because this truck has no AC at the moment. I gotta change the fan. As soon as we get some free time, we'll get it fixed. But it's full blast, but don't think it's even working because it's not. But the Duramax, it's getting worked on. It has a bunch of hail dents. So probably about another month or so, and we'll have her back. We have plenty of trucks to drive, but I'm still gonna get a rental since insurance is gonna provide it. But you won't be seeing the D-Max for a little bit. This was supposed to be brushed and sent to black, so I wanted to see if I could get it brushed. And it's all four of them like that. See, I want it to look like this in here. I mean, yes. But I'm not sure if that's possible. He told me it was doable, but
yeah, I don't know either. He'd be the one to talk to him now. take one. I don't let him check it out. Easy, man.
Okay. You want to take the bigger one or this one?
You take that one.
Okay. Good one, brother?
Oh yeah. I wouldn't let nobody else do it. Yeah, that would suck.
Yeah, I mean, I got them in and they were black. I mean, I wouldn't mind if my truck was black or another color, but it's dark blue. You can't even tell the difference.
It looks like it may be painted, not powdered. The way it's all scratched up from that.
Would that be better?
For me,
I figure it,
yeah.
So whatever's better for you, I don't know.
I'm just gonna come and completely mask this whole area off,
Okay.
strip that, and then sand it.
Okay.
And then I brush it. That way you're all having lines.
With all this still show or part
Yeah,
of
all
it?
this is big. That's pretty fucking neat. I ain't gonna go there.
Want me to get a photo of them?
Yeah, yeah. Don't worry, brother. We'll write your name down.
You're like for the West Texas Showdown?
Oh,
we're out there racing too.
Oh, badass.
Yeah.
One of my friends is on the C-Town racing team.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they drive they have a Vega, and they have a little orange short bed Chevy. It's one of my homies,
Yeah. We're about to get in that scene a lot here now. Our trucks are barely getting out the shop. Yeah. Yeah, this is a truck that is going out.
Horsepower, that'll always be a fucking thing.
I love cars, man.
That's cool as fuck.
That's a nice truck. My name is Antonio. It was raw aluminum.
That's badass. It was like that. This color here. Couldn't do that because it was good.
Yeah. Man, y'all kill it. That's badass. I mean, I just give you a model whenever y'all are ready, brother. Yeah. Do I have to leave any money or anything?
Oh, no.
No, not yet. Okay, will you let me know?
Okay.
All right, brother. Thank you. Keep it good. All right, guys. So we just dropped off the wheels, and they're still gonna let me know when they're ready. So I'm excited, guys. I can't wait till I see them how they're supposed to look. But all right, guys. Catch y'all later. Peace.
Ooh. All right. Woo. This is light.